Did you know that every 8 minutes there's an electrical fire in the United States, and that electrical shorts are the leading cause of these fires? Hi, I'm Bob LaRoche, Service Manager at Foster Electric, here to give you some easy and practical home electrical safety tips on things you can look for to keep you and your family safe. Let's go to Lee, our CurrentSAFE technician, with things to look for and today's safety tips.
Thanks, Bob. Today we're at the electrical panel, the heart of your home's electrical system. A couple things to look out for. Unused openings in the panel are a potential shock hazard. Another thing to be aware of is any popping, crackling, or humming coming from the panel. If you hear any of that, you have a definite problem within the panel. You immediately want to call for service. Another thing to look out for are tripped breakers. Anytime you have a tripped breaker, you want to turn it completely off and then fully back on. Anytime you have a breaker that trips, you have either an overloaded circuit or a short circuit, which can cause damage to the wires inside the walls. You immediately want to call for service. Another way you can check your panel is to run your hand along the breakers or above and below the panel itself. Those are indications that there's too much heat on the breakers or inside the wall. You definitely want to call for service because you may have something that could cause a fire. Here we have a severely damaged outlet. Not only is this a shock hazard, but it's also a fire hazard. Something like this should be replaced immediately.
If you notice any problems in these areas, call Foster Electric and let us perform our revolutionary CurrentSAFE electric hazard detection on your entire home. It's a state-of-the-art, non-intrusive detection and diagnostic system that uses infrared imaging and an ultrasonic listening device to identify shock and fire hazards in your home, many of which lay unseen behind walls, attics, and crawl spaces. Don't leave your family's safety to chance. Call Foster Electric today for more information and to schedule a free, no obligation in-home assessment.